How to get verified on Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Snapchat application on your device and then tap on your Bitmoji icon at the top left corner. Now make sure that you have a public account over here because it's not possible to get verified on a private Snapchat account. So after that, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen and then scroll down to the very end over here, and all you need to do is just tap on the option of help center. So just tap on help center, and as you do that it will land you to a new page. So all you have to do is just scroll down and tap on contact us. So here you can just see over here there are different options where you can get help from the Snapchat team. So you can just select on any of this feature. So I'm going to tap on I need help. Here you can just scroll down and tap on profile, scroll down and tap on my public profile. It will give you an option over here where you can just scroll down and then tap on still need help and tap on yes, where you just need to mention your username, your email ID which you have associated with Snapchat, and then tap on the description box and describe your issue that you are not being able to get verified. So help Snapchat team to get verified on Snapchat, and then tap on submit and you'll be contacted within 24 hours. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.